Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and hey guys, this is the unboxing, thanks to Choyong radios, of the LC90M. So this is the smaller version, basically, of the LC90. I actually have the LC90 here so we can compare the size. So let's see what's in the box. Beautiful box and beautiful packaging, as always. Choyong does really take care of the packaging and making things look good, which is nice. So here it is. Here's the receiver in a little plastic envelope that opens up. There we go. And we have a manual, so this is nice. Really looks like a mini version here. Take out this to for the screen. Kind of a hard to I have a lot of nails to remove it. So here we go. There we go. And so very beautiful. Small user manual. That's here. This would actually be nice if the manual would be a nice big manual like the Texan receiver, especially with all the functionalities in here. And we have a charging cable that is provided. So that's the unboxing of this radio. So this is an AM, FM, shortwave internet radio. It's a smaller version. Notice that there's 2 knobs, not 3. Also, this spaces out the connectors a little more. So charge and headphones. Of course, same kind of buttons for settings, but they're on top instead of being in front. And same type of enclosure. Of course, SIM card possibility, and memory card also for MP3 playback and so on. So this is the Choyong multiband internet radio, smaller version, and we're going to be checking that out. First things first, I'm going to put it charged so that we have it. So just to compare the size, this is the original LC90. This is the smaller version, more portable if you want, maybe. And so this is pretty cool. Thank you, Choyong, for providing me with these radios to test out. And they also included, for the radios, a vinyl case, that carry case for the radios. So beautiful little brown vinyl case, pretty big. So it's big enough to bring the small one, but it's big enough to probably take the original LC90 size also. So it's pretty nice. So thank you. And this is available if you guys order your Choyong radios. I know a lot of you are tempted. Some of you have purchased. You can purchase these vinyl case to put the radio in, which also at the same time protects the radio when you're not using it. So videos coming up of me using the smaller version, the LC90M smart radio, internet radio, AM, FM shortwave. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.